Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Arlo doorbell with Alexa, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up your Arlo doorbell with Alexa, first, ensure your Arlo doorbell is installed and connected to Wi-Fi. Next, make sure you have the Arlo app installed on your smartphone. Open the Arlo app and log into your account. Tap on the menu icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. Select devices from the list. Locate your Arlo doorbell and tap on it to access its settings. In the settings menu, find the option for Smart Home or Integrations. Select Amazon. Follow the prompts to link your Arlo account to your Amazon Alexa account. You may be directed to log into your Amazon account. Once logged in, authorize the connection between Arlo and Alexa. After authorization, return to the Alexa app on your smartphone. In the Alexa app, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Skills and Games. Search for Arlo in the Skills store. Tap on the Arlo skill and then hit Enable to use. Follow the instructions to connect your Arlo device to Alexa. Once linked, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Say Alexa, discover my devices or tap on Devices at the bottom. Alexa will scan for your Arlo doorbell and add it to your device list. Once added, you can use voice commands to interact with your Arlo doorbell. For example, you can say, Alexa, show me the front door. Make sure to test the integration by pressing the doorbell and asking Alexa for the video feed. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the live feed from your Arlo doorbell on your Alexa-enabled device. Enjoy the added convenience of having your Arlo doorbell integrated with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.